Ever wondered why weight loss seems so challenging even when you feel like you're doing everything right? It's a weighty question, isn't it? The journey to shedding those extra pounds is a complex one, filled with many twists and turns. It's not just about eating less and moving more. There's a whole science behind it, intricate and fascinating. We're going to delve into this labyrinth, uncovering the scientific reasons that make weight loss a tough nut to crack. So, buckle up and get ready for a knowledge-packed ride. Stay tuned as we explore the science behind weight loss and how you can harness it to your advantage. Did you know that your metabolism plays a critical role in weight loss? Yes, you heard that right. Let's dive deeper into the science of metabolism and its impact on our weight loss journey. First off, what is metabolism? In simple terms, it's the process by which our bodies convert what we eat and drink into energy. Now you might be wondering, how does this affect weight loss? Well, here's the deal. The rate at which our bodies metabolize food, also known as metabolic rate, determines how quickly we burn calories. Let's look at the scientific research. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism has shown that people with slower metabolic rates tend to have a harder time losing weight. This is because their bodies burn fewer calories, even at rest. Now let's move on to another example. A study in the New England Journal of Medicine found that our metabolic rates are not set in stone. They can be influenced by various factors, including diet, physical activity, and even the temperature of our environment. So, if you've been blaming your slow metabolism for your weight loss struggles, it's time to reconsider. The next example takes us to the world of genetics. According to research published in the International Journal of Obesity, certain genetic variants can affect our metabolic rate. However, the impact of these genes is relatively small compared to lifestyle factors like diet and exercise. Moving on, a study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. It suggests that increasing your protein intake can boost your metabolism and help you burn more calories. It's like giving your metabolic engine a turbo boost. And finally, a study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology shows that regular exercise can significantly increase your metabolic rate, both during the workout and for hours afterwards. So, the first step in effective weight loss is understanding and boosting your metabolism. Remember, it's not about quick fixes or drastic measures. It's about making small, sustainable changes that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. And with the power of science on your side, you're well equipped to take that first step. You've probably heard, "You are what you eat." But how true is this in the context of weight loss? Well, let's dive in. The saying, "you are what you eat," might sound cliché, but it holds a lot of truth, especially when it comes to weight loss. What we consume plays a significant role in our body composition, energy levels, and overall health. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that people who ate a balanced, nutrient-rich diet lost more weight over a year than those who followed crash diets. This is because crash diets often deprive your body of essential nutrients, leading to fatigue, nutrient deficiencies, and ironically, weight gain in the long run. Next, a study from the British Journal of Nutrition showed that people who consumed high-fiber foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains had lower body weight and waist circumference. Fiber keeps you feeling fuller for longer, preventing overeating. Adding on, a research from the University of Illinois found that protein-rich diets can help preserve muscle mass while shedding fat, promoting healthier weight loss. The next example is a bit different. A study in the New England Journal of Medicine found that sugary drinks contribute significantly to weight gain and obesity. So remember to swap that soda for water or unsweetened tea. Our final example, number 5, comes from the book of Proverbs in the Bible, which states, "When dining with a rich man, be mindful of what is before you." In other words, be conscious of what you're consuming. Now here's a fun fact. Did you know that if you eat a teaspoon of sugar after eating something spicy, it can neutralize the heat? But remember, moderation is key. It's evident that a balanced, nutrient-rich diet plays a significant role in weight loss. Crash diets may promise quick results, but they're not sustainable or healthy in the long run. Remember, a healthy diet is a sustainable diet. How much does physical activity do I need to perform to contribute to weight loss? Now that's a question worth sweating over. Let's jog our memory back to the energy balance equation. It's all about calories in versus calories out. Now diet takes care of the calories in part, But what about the calories out? That's where exercise enters the race. Exercise is like the secret weapon in your weight loss arsenal. It helps increase your metabolism, which in turn burns more calories. And it's not just about the burn during the workout, but also the afterburn. You see, after a strenuous workout, your body continues to burn calories at a higher rate, even when you're at rest. This phenomenon, called excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, or EPOC, is your body's way of recovering from the workout. But how much exercise should you do? Well, the World Health Organization suggests at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity physical activity per week. But remember, any movement is good movement. Even small changes like taking the stairs instead of the elevator can add up over time. Now let's talk about the second aspect of exercise muscle building. Muscles are metabolic powerhouses. They burn more calories at rest than fat does. So the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn throughout the day. Lastly, let's not forget the non-weight-related benefits of exercise. It can improve mental health, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and even help you live longer. So yes, while it's true that you can't outrun a bad diet, combining exercise with a balanced diet can supercharge your weight loss efforts. So to answer the question, how much does exercise really contribute to weight loss? The answer is significantly. Exercise is not just about burning calories, it's about building a healthier, happier you. Can catching more Z's help you lose weight? Now that's a question worth pondering. We often overlook sleep as a vital part of our weight loss journey, but science tells us otherwise. Let's talk about some fascinating research that links sleep and weight loss. First, a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who slept less ate more, and not just a little more. We're talking about 250 more calories a day. That's like eating an extra slice of pizza every day. Second, the University of Chicago found that lack of sleep reduces our fat cells' ability to respond to insulin, a hormone crucial for regulating energy storage and use. This can lead to weight gain and even diabetes. Third, a study from the University of Colorado discovered that people who only slept 5 hours a night over a work week gained nearly 2 pounds. Yikes! Researchers at Columbia University found that those who sleep less than 7 hours per night are heavier, gain more weight over time, and have a harder time losing weight. Finally, the last piece of research comes from the University of Pennsylvania. They found that people who were sleep-deprived consumed more late-night snacks and were more likely to choose high-carb snacks. So, what's the takeaway here? Your bed is a secret weapon in your weight loss journey. It's not just about burning calories at the gym or eating the right foods. It's also about giving your body the rest it needs to function optimally. Remember, your body is like a finely tuned machine. If you don't give it the right amount of rest, it won't perform at its best. And in the context of weight loss, that means it won't burn fat as efficiently. So tonight, try turning in a little earlier. Your body and your waistline will thank you. And who knows, you might even dream about your next healthy meal or workout routine. Never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Is your mind standing between you and your weight loss goals? Often, we underestimate the power of the mind and its role in our weight loss journey. You see, it's not just about what you eat or how much you exercise. Your mindset can significantly impact your progress. Let's talk about the placebo effect for a moment. This is a fascinating psychological phenomenon where a person experiences a perceived improvement in their condition due to their belief in the treatment. Think about it. If you believe that a certain weight loss method will work for you, your mind might just make it happen. Research has shown that stress can be a major roadblock in weight loss. When you're stressed, your body produces a hormone called cortisol, which can lead to weight gain. So it's not just about counting calories. Managing stress is equally important. Consider the power of visualization. There's a saying, if you can see it, you can be it. Scientific studies have revealed that visualizing your weight loss success can actually help you achieve it. It's like giving your brain a blueprint to follow. Nextly, we have the concept of self-efficacy. This is your belief in your ability to succeed in specific situations. Studies have shown that individuals with high self-efficacy are more likely to stick to their weight loss plans. Lastly, let's not forget the role of positive affirmations. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to challenge and overcome self-sabotaging thoughts. They can be a powerful tool in your weight loss arsenal. Remember the biblical scripture, "As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he." It beautifully encapsulates the power of the mind in shaping our reality. So if you've been struggling with weight loss, perhaps it's time to take a closer look at your mindset. A healthy body starts with a healthy mind. So make sure your mind is on your side in your weight loss journey. As a bonus for sticking to the video this far, here are a few quick tips that can help boost your weight loss efforts. Let's talk about hydration. Drinking more water is like a secret weapon in your weight loss arsenal. It helps to keep your body functioning at its best, aids digestion, and can even help you feel fuller, so you're less likely to overeat. Next up, fiber. Packing sour diet with fiber-rich foods is a savvy move for weight loss. Foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains not only keep us feeling satisfied longer, they also help to regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those pesky energy crashes that can lead to overeating. Now, onto mindfulness. This is not just some trendy buzzword. Practicing mindfulness, especially when it comes to eating, can have a significant impact on a weight loss journey. Pay attention to what you're eating, savor each bite, and listen to the body's hunger and fullness cues. It's not just about what you eat, but how you eat it. And here's another little bonus for you. Remember the biblical proverb, "A joyful heart is good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones." In the context of weight loss, maintaining a positive attitude and finding joy in the journey can make all the difference. So, let's wrap this up with a little personal story. When I started my own weight loss journey, I found that these 3 simple tips, drinking more water, carbonated, plain, or one of the calorie-free flavors, eating more fiber, my favorites to this day are slightly steamed cauliflower, raw, purple, and green cabbage, and practicing mindfulness. These were all game changers for me. They weren't drastic changes, but these small steps made a big difference in the long run. Remember, every little bit helps when it comes to weight loss. To wrap things up, remember the saying, weight loss is a journey, not a destination. It's a path strewn with both victories and setbacks, and that's perfectly okay. Success lies in the small, consistent steps we take daily. We've explored the science of weight loss, the essential role of a balanced diet, the transformative power of exercise, the often overlooked importance of quality sleep, and the significant impact of our psychological state. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in the weight loss journey, but ultimately, it's your journey, your story, your transformation. So take it one day at a time, one step at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's embark on this journey together. And remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with that first single step.